Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Huera Tiara. I'm an information system student from Bina Nusantara International University, batch 2018, Jakarta, Indonesia. On this video, I would like to show you how to make a database for a production house company, which became one of the components in assessment of the course Introduction to Database. My client is Abimata Visual House from Jakarta. Abimata Visual House is a service company in film production house and able to design creative ideas, produce, and publish various forms of visualization. So let's start it. In my databases, I create 8 tables, which 5 of them are master table and 3 of them are transaction table. My master table are client list, vendor list, crew list, project crew, and project equipment. So project list, equipment list, and publish list are my transaction table. From the column inside, the bold fonts are my primary key and the foreign key with the underlines. In Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, I use several data types which are char, varchar, time, integer, and many to determine the different types of my data. Then I also use not null and null for the column to determine which column that can be only executed within zero data. For primary key, I use not null because I follow entity integrity. On this view, I use alter table to add new column, so the result will be like this, and then the design table will be like this. Next is insert into to add the several values to the column with their own types of data. From those results, I use select asterisk from table name to see all the result of each table. We can also use a compound where condition filters row. For example, when I use select all from project list where category is documenter, the data that will be shown up is only from documenter category. Not only that, these features also can be used for pattern matching, so I can find all equipment specification with the string canon. Next, short query also can be resolved by using order by. It's also offering in ascending order or descending order. For specify, the first one I'll be using for ascending order and the second one is for descending order. Next is aggregate functions, which are count, sum, average, minimum, and maximum. This is to count how many projects where period starts between 2014 of 29th April and 2014 of 5th December. Then, to know how much the price that can be concluded as minimum, maximum, and average, I use this query. Then, group data using by and having. While we use group by clause to get subtotals, having clause is designed for use with group by to restrict groups that appear in final result table. For example, I use this one to count the sold number with the total price. So this one is the result with having by. Subqueries. The subqueries that I use in this case are subquery with equality, subquery with aggregate, nested subquery, and all. So here are the different results from those 4. Next, update data. I use this function to add the new data in the column. For example, this data from null into new data. Then join tables together. There are a lot of join types and way. To join my client list and my project list, I use this query. It's also for sorting joins. I also join my equipment list and vendor list to know whose belongs to whose equipment. Next is perform set operations. Union, intersect, accept. This also can be part of relational algebra. So this is the definition according to database systems, a practical approach to design, implementation, and management. Last one is views. View can be used as a virtual table, so when I make a view, I declare as a new table name. So This is the last section of my presentation. I hope this video will increase your knowledge on database with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. And thank you for your attention.